Now, this group is highly reactive. So all of them are stored in oil, and you notice they're in canisters, and these canisters are really big because they're also shifting kitty litter. Because what does kitty litter do when water comes in? Absorbs it. Now, what's unique about this? Okay? Okay? Here's the metal. This is lithium. I'm going to start with lithium. One thing you should learn over the next 2 days, as you go up or down a group, they have the same properties. I hope you remember that. But as you go down or up, it either becomes more reactive or less reactive. Now these are metal. Now this is a scrupula. This is not a sharpened knife. But I can cut right through it. And you can see here, see how it's dark? But then when I cut through it, it's shiny. Because this outside has oxidized because it's coming in contact with oxygen. The stuff in the center has not. I'll put that back in the oil. Yep. Let's get a little bigger piece. Find a better spot then. Okay. Now, one thing, I said it's highly reactive. I need to get myself. It produces a very flammable gas. Okay? So here we go. Now, the oil's clearing off. The top of your shirt can get dirty. Listen. Now, the only thing it's doing is reacting with the water right now. Now, notice where Li is. Li is at the top of the column or at the bottom of the column? Top. So this is the least reactive. Okay? Now I gotta wait for it to react. What's the next one down? What's Na? Sodium. Okay, here's sodium. Notice it does not look like a shiny metal. But if I cut it,
smells bad.
Okay, now it has that shiny luster. Yep. Is the vent on the back, sir?
Smells like dead fish.
That's not on in the back, by the way. Can you turn it on then? Oh.
You just turn the switch.
You know what, Tony?
Holy shit.
Lights on? Okay. So,
that was awesome.
now, we moved one down. Notice we went from...
Scared the hell out of me.
We went one down. We went from Li down to Na. Look at how much it became more reactive. Now, what's the next one underneath? Potassium. Okay?
Jeez. That was awesome.
Here's potassium. This one has to be stored in a sealed container.
See, I wanted to bring my real camera today. Didn't. Thought, nah.
Okay, now, you notice we just went down one block and how violent it became? I used an incredibly small amount with this, just to show you. Sir, I'm not that stupid or brave.
I'll do it.
No, you won't. Do it. You okay?
Can't get it out.
Okay, so, here's potassium. I'm going to use an incredibly small amount. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh my God. What's up? We've already seen this one heat.
Running around in the water.
Now you notice that little small amount burned. Okay? It didn't need anything. It stayed there. That was tiny compared to the other side. Okay? All reactive. Now, lights on. Just turn the first one off. Okay. There are two that I cannot, well, I should say there's three. Rubidium, cesium, and francium. Here's what they look like. Okay? They are so soft, they start to